welcome to Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. We are working on harvest. All our vegetables that we worked very hard for to get to grow, we are now cooking them. Yum! We are now reaping the rewards. So, I am going to do a quick, like Italian green bean tomato. All right, it's very good. It's very easy. One day I was at the grocery store and I saw a picture of green beans and tomatoes together, which made me think of this. And so I really like it. And my nephew he's in the Marines, and he said that they had a green bean and tomato when he was in boot camp thing that he loved. So it was the same time I saw the picture, and voila, a recipe came together. I don't know that it's a recipe, but it's good. So I have green beans here. I have little cherry tomatoes. You can use grape tomatoes. I have lemon juice. I have garlic. I have lemon zest. I have garlic. I'm going to use salt. But first, what I'm going to do is blanch my green beans and get them all nice and green. I've got boiling water back there. It's hot, boiling, and it's salted. So all I'm going to do is put my green beans in. I just added the salt, and they're going to get a very, very bright green. I'm going to bring them out, and this only takes about 5 minutes. I am sauteing my tomatoes, and the green beans are getting done. I don't know if you can hear that. Let's look. See how green they're getting? They need another few minutes. And I'm going to put the lid on that to bring it up to heat and to help blister them. There we go. Here's our green beans. We're going to add them in. We're going to add in the garlic. We're going to let it cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to add the zest. The zest has more in it than anything, more flavor. The lemon juice will go at the end because the lemon juice will turn those ends brown. So right before you serve it, put the lemon juice in. Salt it. There you go. All I have to do is add the lemon juice. Oh, the tomato has made its own juice in there. So these are so good. When I grew up, we cooked the living daylights out of our green beans, and I love them like that with some bacon fat, but a little olive oil, little tomatoes. Oh, it's so good. And then when you serve it, maybe you could put some salt at the very end. Pure, unadulterated flavors of summer. That's what this is. Little lemon, little salt, little olive oil, some garlic. You got a dish. Oh, all right. Remember, for this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. Thank you very much for coming and sharing all these recipes with me. Let me know what you'd like coming up. Let me know if you cook them and how they turn out for you. If you made any tweaks to them or added your own little flair, let me know that. Remember, subscribe to YouTube. Make the comments below. Ring the bell next to the subscribe so you can get notifications. Facebook doesn't always give notifications of when new recipes are up. So we're going to do some more summer vegetables, but here you go. Thank you. God bless.